afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. And today we have all conducted this meeting to have an interaction with all the students because it's been a long gap, as well as we are all aware that things have been quite difficult for all of us. And since from tomorrow we are all going back to our regular classes, um, in the online mode. Before that, we thought it would be a good idea to interact with all of you, and all the teachers will address you all. To begin with, I would like to invite Professor Ambrish Saxena, sir, uh, to address the students.
Thank you, Tina. Welcome to this meeting. As Tina has already told you this, the whole idea behind conducting this meeting was that it has been long that we have interacted, particularly interaction as one unit, as one entity. Though till 2 weeks back, the classes were on in respective semesters and subjects, but then the kind of interaction that is required, that was not happening. And particularly the way the things have changed during the last 1 month, I would say, though the things started going bad to worse from April 1st week only. But from the mid of April, the things went really worst. And many of us have been suffering among the faculty members, among the students. So that is how we thought that if we have an interaction before this classes starts, which are scheduled tomorrow, so that we can give each other the required confidence, and the required mutual trust is maintained. We all have the confidence that we are there for each one of us, and whatever happens, we will remain there uh, morally and otherwise. Because when we talk about as one unit or one entity, I mean, DME Media School, then obviously it's an educational institution and everybody has an assigned role. We teachers have the assigned role, you people have your assigned role. But then, uh, obviously, when we are one family, then we have to stand by each one of us side. So we have to make sure that whatever adverse things are happening, we can meet that challenge if we are one, if we are united, and if we can stand by whatever one requires from the other. If that kind of a spirit can be maintained, then obviously we can meet this challenge. This is really unfortunate, the way the things were happening. In fact, we were planning to start the face-to-face mode classes sometime in March and April. In March, in fact, we had planned that we will start from April the practical classes, at least in groups, so that the kind of activity which is desired on the part of an educational institution should be there. But then the things were destined the different way, which none of us had any control. We can only hope and wish that the things will improve fast. But still, we have to be realistic enough that it's not an overnight thing which is going to happen. And I also understand that the first year students have suffered the most because they have not still experienced the kind of education which should have been there right from the beginning. But I think this is the second semester, so I think by the time the third semester is started, things will improve, and the fourth and sixth semester is in the middle, and we hope that in another month's time, or at the most another 5 or 6 weeks, their course will be finished and they will be having their exams. But then that uncertainty is there, obviously, and nobody has a ready-made answer as to what is going to happen, except that we have all positive things in mind, except that we wish the things will be under control, and accept that whatever problems are there, we can meet that with collective strength. So we have to plan everything accordingly. And besides the academic, the other activities that DME Media School is known for, particularly ICANN 4, which was initially scheduled from 20th of May. So in April, when all this is started, we faculty members deliberated and discussed, and then we shifted these dates from 20th May to 10th of June. But then yesterday again we have had to have a meeting to decide about this, and finally we have decided to start ICANN 4 from 1st of July. So that by that time the things are under control and we are able to organize the conference the way though the way we wanted to have it. That's not possible. We were planning to have it in the hybrid mode, but that's almost impossible now. But why we have all commitments with our international partners also. So because a lot of sessions, panel discussions, workshops, etc., will be conducted by the foreign scholars. So they were also finding it difficult to schedule everything since we were not able to plan everything properly. But now we have decided, so accordingly from 1st of July, we will start ICANN 4. And so I think that's the thing which I had in mind. The basic purpose was to see to each one of us face to face and interact. So the faculty members will also be addressing the students, and then obviously we would like that the students who want to express themselves or who want to say something, they will be welcome. Over to Tinam.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Professor Sushmita Bala ma'am to address the students.
Hello, everybody. It's a very difficult time for all of us, लेकिन इसमें हमें स्ट्रगल करना है और आगे आना है. तो अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुझे ये कहना है कि तुम लोग अपना जो भी है सिलेबस एंड ऑल वो सारा उस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे, फोकस करोगे. एंड अभी जो भी एग्जामिनेशन डेट वगैरह अनाउंस होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग काम करेंगे. एंड वी आर प्लानिंग फॉर प्रैक्टिकल वर्क एंड ऑल. समर ट्रेनिंग वगैरह जो भी है वो हम डिसाइड करेंगे कि कैसे करना है. लास्ट टाइम जैसे हमने किया था वैसे ही प्लान करेंगे, बिकॉज कल से क्लासेस स्टार्ट होंगी. तो वी आर प्लानिंग कि तुम लोगों से जो भी डिस्कस करना है वो कर लेंगे. और अगर किसी की कोई क्वेरीज हैं वो आप अभी बात कर सकते हो. किसी की कोई प्रॉब्लम है वो आप शेयर कर सकते हो, क्योंकि हम लोगों का जैसे कि DME मीडिया स्कूल एंड DME ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड टू हेल्प ईच वन. तो कहीं किसी की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, किसी भी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, you can share with the faculty members, your mentors and PL, and of course with me also. So take care and be happy.
Thank you, ma'am. I think now the teachers can all, take their turns. We would like to start with Manmeet, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Sir or ma'am has already discussed each and everything regarding the upcoming events and activities which will be conducted in DME Media School. First of all, my heartfelt condolences. In fact, on behalf of DME Media School, our heartfelt condolences and deepest condolences to all those students, to the families as well who have lost their near and dear ones in this pandemic time. We have heard various news from various sections in DME Media School, and what to say, this is the time we have to be strong. You students, as the part of your family, as the part of your as the pillar of your family, you have to stay strong. So stay safe, stay strong. और जो भी activities आपकी अब आने वाले time पर regarding the examination, regarding the upcoming training sessions, induction sessions, as well as those internship sessions, especially for second semester students, we will be in constant touch with the university so that timely information can be spread among the students. And any query, you have any doubts in your minds, please have better communication with your mentors. Mentors are there for you to help you out. We are in constant touch with the university. Whatever be in our hands related to the previous examination, that is the first semester examination, students, they have faced problems regarding the submission of their answer sheets and everything. We have already discussed with the university, and in the future as well, whatever be in our hands, we will definitely solve all those queries as the part of this institute, as the part of the IP University affiliated college. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to call Dr. Manashwi Maheshwari.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think a lot of things have already been said. I just want to add on that we all understand the problem which you have gone through. Many of you must have, you were the, suffering from COVID, or maybe your family members, you were the caregivers, you were facing a lot of issues, not attending classes for last 1.5 months went really, really bad for all of us. And we understand the pain because we have also gone through that situation at our place. But now we have to, make a comeback, and your work, your education is one thing which can actually help you coming out of this situation. You have to concentrate, focus on your work so that you can, come out of that grief and try to just deviate and concentrate on the positive things. It is difficult, but we all are there with you. All of us are here whenever you feel like talking, sharing any problem, like ma'am said, all the mentors, everybody is there for you. So don't worry, we will be, taking care of all your requirements. We will try our level best to help you, especially the 6th semester. I got a lot of queries regarding the major project and all. So need not to worry. We will definitely find a solution which will be, which will be implementable, which will be feasible for all of us in this situation. So don't worry about that. But still, yes, the semester is about to end for 4th and 6th semester. You have to be really, really serious about the work, your marks. If these things will stay with you for long, and in future this is required that you do your best in this. So I just want to say that don't worry, we all will sail through this, and we all are together in this. So please do your best and take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Or Mohit sir, you can come forward.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, my deepest condolences to all the students and their family members who have lost their dear and near ones in this pandemic. And since these studies have to continue, that's why we are going to begin the regular classes from tomorrow onwards. And I hope that you must have gone through that notice that was circulated by Director Sir. So if you have any problems, any family member is going through any problem, or if you are going through any problem related to COVID, you are most welcome to come forward with your queries, and you can talk to your respective mentors. We need to finish these projects. We need to finish the semester and finally the examinations. So I would just like to wish good luck to everyone, and I pray that all the students and their family members are safe, and we are there for you. So thank you very much, and please take care of yourself and your families. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to call Krishna ma'am.
Thank you so much. I just want to say that as we all know that we are going through extremely difficult times, and while we at DME extend all our help and support to all the students, we must not forget our duty towards those who are around us and who are in need of our support, and who are in need of our love, care, and warmth. So please do extend all your support to those people who you feel that they need your need, especially at this difficult time. As far as the classes are concerned, I'm here, and since I'm teaching to the students of 4B and 6C, do let me know if there are any issues and problems. And I'm here for you to guide you, support you, and in any manner that you would require my help and support. Thank you. Thank you, Teenam. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to talk to students.
Thank you, ma'am. Kamil sir.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend the deepest condolence for all those who left for their heavenly abode in this time of crisis. May all the departed soul rest in peace. And as most of the things have already been said by the senior teachers, I would just like to add here that any single student who need any kind of help, be it the papers which I am teaching, or apart from the subjects also, you all can contact me, or you can first you should contact your mentor, then your PL, or the head of the department, ma'am, and you can also call me. And as rightly said by Krishna ma'am, that we all should come forward and help all those who are in need, because this is really a difficult time. And I would also like to make a request here that all of you should get vaccinated as soon as possible, because uh, uh, as I come from a background where some of my family members are in medical profession, they have been constantly telling me and my family members to get vaccinated. There are certain things that can be discussed, but it is not the right platform. But we should try to get vaccinated first, and we can, proceed further. Thank you, Tina ma'am.
Pramod sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think much has been said by all the faculty members who've come before me, but I would just say that, you have to take utmost care of yourself. I mean, there may be, 1 month, 2 months down the line when the cases are falling, and then, suddenly we may become, very casual in our approach. Just remember one thing, that, we have to get used to this new normal. We have to see everyone from a very skeptical point of view. We have to see everyone, around us as somebody who may be, infected, and then we have to take care of ourselves. Now, when I'm saying this, I'm not asking you to be pessimistic. I'm just saying that you need to be careful, and you really need to take your mind away from, what is happening. So while being cautious, at the same time, you need to deviate your mind from all the negativity that is around, because, once when life will come back to normal, the new normal that I'm saying, then, your studies and education will be left far behind if you will not, pay much attention to that also. So we have to keep a very fine balance between keeping ourselves safe, ourselves protected, and at the same time, we have to prepare ourselves for, a better future. So I think that is the only thing that I would tell you. And I think, do get vaccinated and take extra precaution. Come out and help the people who really need your help. And we as mentors and teachers are there for you. So in case you need any kind of help, be it related to the subject, be it any other kind of help wherein you feel like talking to us. I mean, as mentor, and even if I'm not the mentor of some class, and even in that case, as a teacher, it's my responsibility, and I believe that that you have all the freedom to call me and discuss anything with me and seek any kind of help that is required. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pramod sir. Sukriti ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. And like other teachers, I too would like to extend my deepest condolences for the students who have lost their loved ones. Even some of the teachers have faced a very difficult time. All of us have facing this very difficult time. Even till now, it's not over. And I'd also like to thank and congratulate a lot of students. Since many of you are connected with me over social media, I was seeing how actively some of the students were trying to help others, trying to source oxygen beds or cylinders or whatever was required, plasma, etc. I mean, I was watching some of the students closely on social media, and they were very active, and that is a wonderful thing. It shows that you guys are well aware of your responsibilities. It shows that you are there for other people as well, and just like that, we are also here for you. And before the summer break happened, I had already in my class talked about this thing that with respect to the projects that we are doing, since we have to do what is required, we cannot run away from that. So I have already eased the projects for you compared to what I had initially talked about. And if there are any individual students who still need a little more relaxation in their work or anything else that they require, please communicate it to us. But also, I would like to insist on this thing that you do not just send a WhatsApp message and forget about it, because we may be receiving multiple messages from students, and it has happened that we miss out on messages on WhatsApp. because that is apart from the official groups wherein a lot of us are not able to interact on a one-to-one level. Just send a mail to your mentor. You can keep any other teacher CC में रख सकते हो आप. If you're sending a mail to me as the mentor or as the subject teacher, you can keep your mentor in CC, or you can keep Bala ma'am sending her a copy of your mail as well, just to keep us in the loop. And that will just help us in making sure that every student who genuinely requires some help gets it. I don't want कि कोई WhatsApp message हो जो मेरे पास आया हो और फिर वो रह जाए just because somebody forgets about it. On mail, we don't tend to forget things. If you don't find it convenient to mail something right away, fine, send a WhatsApp message. But later on, whenever you get the opportunity, just at the earliest possible instance that you can, do send a mail across as well, so that we can have it on record and remember that, yes, you know, this is something important and this needs to be taken care of. So stay safe, and a lot of you are taking good care of your families and of yourself. And I just hope that we all can continue to do that and come out of this in a better space than earlier. Thank you.
Thank you. Mudita ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. Since most of the teachers have talked about the difficult times that we are in and the measures that we will be taking for everybody, I just want to reassure all of you people present here that we're all there for you. We're all talking about communication, establishing communication with the teachers. I request all of you to also establish communication with your friends, with your classmates, regardless of the things that that bother you, that would have bothered you otherwise. I want to remind all of you today that these situations are not normal. They're exceedingly difficult, and all of us have to come together and go through this as a family and survive and come out stronger. So that's my message to all of you. I am here for all of you. All the teachers present here are there for all of you in whatever capacity we can come and come there and be helpful to you. So, thank you.
Thank you. Sachin sir.
Good evening, everyone. समय बहुत खराब है, but let's start with a smile nonetheless. I think जैसा सबने कहा, we need to first remember few of our faculty members have had grievous losses to their families. We need to remember them, and our students from across 3 years have lost family members too. So condolences to those, and we are all together in this. अब ये समय बहुत अजीब है, और आई एम श्योर जैसे अभी 15 दिन हमारा वेकेशन स्टार्ट होने से पहले द स्टूडेंट वाज शेयरिंग कि सर मैं क्वारंटीन हूँ, मैं अपने कमरे में बंद हूँ बहुत दिन से, आई एम वरीड अबाउट द फैमिली, आई एम वरीड अबाउट व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, हाउ डू आई कंसंट्रेट, हाउ डू आई लिसन इन अ क्लास, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है प्रोजेक्ट. एंड आई डिड नॉट हैव एन आंसर टू दैट, बिकॉज़ शी वाज राइट. ये बहुत अजीब समय है, जैसा प्रमोद सर ने कहा, मतलब हमारा ख्याल रखना बहुत जरूरी है. इसके बीच में शायद जो चीजें आप क्लासरूम में पढ़ते हैं, जो थ्योरीज आप सुनते हैं, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको करने हैं, वो शायद फ्यूटाइल भी लग रहे हैं, एंड लेजिटिमेटली सो. बट आई थिंक देयर आर टू थिंग, ऑफ कोर्स, इज टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. जैसा कमल सर ने भी कहा, बी वैक्सीनेटेड, टेक केयर ऑफ योर फैमिली, टेक ऑल द मेजर्स. एंड जो जमाना हम रह रहे हैं, वी आर हैविंग एन इंक्रीज टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, राइट? सो एज मुदिता मैम ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड, talk to your peers, अपने दोस्तों से बात करो. if somebody is aloof, reach out to them, बात करो. खैर ये कोई नई बातें नहीं है, आप लोग जानते ही हैं. and of course talk to your teachers. अब दुनिया तो sadly रुकने वाली है नहीं, so of course we have to keep up with the world. IP के एग्जाम भी होंगे, we have to do these projects. So what you need to do is help your classmates. For example, you're in a group, many of you are already doing it, right? if one person's family is down, help them. उनके हिस्से का आप मदद करिए, so that not only कि in the end बस उनका नाम जुड़ जाए, but do it for them, make sure they're a part of it in whatever way you can. Help out and reach out. And I think अगर DME Media School की एक खास बात है, वो ये है कि we are all very involved in what we do with each other and what we do, right? So that when Kamil sir says कि किसी मदद के लिए reach out करेगा, so he means that. When teachers are saying, you can reach out to them. It's not like the typical college जहाँ पे we just said, and we are all here for you. And not only are we here for you, you are here for us also. Jesse, when one of the faculty members needed something, I heard that few students actually went out to a hospital, checked something out, and many of you have been reaching out to teachers. I think all of us would be agreeing, asking every day, day in and day out, sir, kaise hain, ma'am, kaise hain? So thank you for that. We are all in this together, and let's take care of each other, let's take care of ourselves, and we'll be out of this soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Shruti ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope the small summer break gave you time to regenerate, focus, take care of each other and family members. And as my colleagues have said, and sir and ma'am has reiterated that we as an entity, as a collective way, सारे हम लोग teachers जो है, as together we are there for you. We assure you that there would be कोई कमी नहीं रहेगी आपकी जो हमें पढ़ाने की उसमें. Even beyond that, we are there for you. Please feel free to reach out. And also, like Sukriti ma'am was saying, कि WhatsApp message के अलावा भी it's a very good idea to also reach out to us on mail so that there is nothing left in case कुछ बात में कुछ दिमाग से रह गया. Please take care of yourself and try to get vaccinated as soon as possible and stay safe. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for allowing me this opportunity.
Well, I would also like to say something here that I mean, instead of us encouraging students, I feel we have a lot to take encouragement from the students themselves, because right from the classes, right from the beginning when the lockdowns, we started staying home and the online classes were going on, and things started, getting worse. Even amidst that situation, even when their family members were in the hospital, some of them had lost their family members, they were sick themselves, the way they, came and appeared for their exams, they have been continuing to, show up. I think that itself is a source of huge encouragement for all of us. And even during this summer break, I was quite surprised and by the, enthusiasm of these students. The newsletter team kept working. Whenever I asked anyone to do anything, nobody said no. And even I think the societies also have been continuing to work. And there have been many queries from students asking regarding their assignments, having queries regarding their projects. So I can see that, from their spirit, I take a lot of encouragement. Thank you all for that. So with that, I think I'd like to open up the floor for the students also. If anyone wants to share something or, wants to speak out, please feel free. You can drop a message also if you want.
शायद स्टूडेंट्स ने अभी किसी ने कुछ क्वेश्चंस रेज नहीं किए, बट एक जो क्वेरी मेरे पास आई थी, मे बी सर और मैम शायद उसको थोड़ा अगर एड्रेस कर पाए. आशुतोष, जस्ट अ सेकंड. जो मैम मेरे मेंटीज में, मेरे क्लास के सेक्शन के स्टूडेंट्स ने मेरे साथ जो बात की थी, वो की थी कुछ फिनेंशियल जो क्राइसिस चल रहे हैं पिछले साल से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के घर में, तो फी कंसेशन को लेकर और फीस को लेकर. तो मैंने उनको बस यही बोला था कि वी विल डिस्कस एंड टॉक विद हेड एंड डीन, एंड आगे मैनेजमेंट तक इस चीज को रखा जाएगा कि किस तरीके से कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प कर सकती है. सो एक कंसर्न ये था स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से जो पिछले साल से जिनके घर में कुछ फिनेंशियल क्राइसिस चल रहे हैं.
Good evening, ma'am, and all the faculty members. Ma'am, actually हम लोग को already third year है and हम लोग बहुत सारा जो final project है हमारा इस साल practical वगैरह है, तो हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से use नहीं कर पाए अपना studio and all. तो उसके वजह से भी like आगे जाके internship वगैरह में बहुत problem भी हो रही थी कि like they were asking कि आपने college में क्या-क्या performa है, क्या-क्या portfolio आपने create किया है. तो मैम एक ये भी था, एंड दूसरा ये था कि प्लेसमेंट को भी लेके भी बहुत ज्यादा दिक्कत हो रही है. तो वही मेरा थोड़ा सा ये क्वेश्चन था कि प्लेसमेंट को लेके अभी क्या चल रहा है थर्ड ईयर का.
प्लेसमेंट कैसा है, तुम लोगों के लिए जो भी फॉर्म या जो भी शेयर किया जाता है उसको फिल किया करो, और जहाँ भी तुम्हारे को भेजा जाता है वहाँ जाओ. क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, नेम्स तो अपने देते हैं, लेकिन जब उनको इंटरव्यूज के लिए बोला जाता है कि आप अपीयर होइए तो नहीं होते हैं. तो ये थोड़ा सा ट्राई करो कि जो भी तुम्हारे रिलेटेड वर्क जॉब कुछ भी है, क्योंकि अभी जो पीरियड है वो तो चलेगा, और कब तक चलेगा हमें नहीं पता है, किसी को भी नहीं पता है. क्योंकि हम लोग, जैसा भी सर ने भी बोला था कि हम मार्च में प्लान कर रहे थे आफ्टर होली हम क्लासेस स्टार्ट करेंगे अप्रैल में, बट नहीं हो पाया, सिचुएशन वर्स्ट होती चली गई. बट अभी जो भी होगा, जो भी जैसा भी आता है कहीं से भी इंटर प्लेसमेंट का, वो हम शेयर करेंगे. तुम लोग उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना, अपीयर होना, फिर रेस्ट जो भी हम कर सकते हैं वो करेंगे। और उसकी बात है प्रोजेक्ट की, तो जिसका भी फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट है, लाइक अगर कोई प्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड कर रहा है तो वो अभी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। तो मेरा सजेशन, कुछ लोगों से बात हुई थी, मैंने कहा था जो रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट आप लोगों ने 5th सेमेस्टर में किया था, अभी रिसेंटली उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो विद योर डिस्कस विद योर फैकल्टी मेंबर जिसके अंडर कर रहे हो। मेरे ख्याल से उसको उसी तरह से कंप्लीट करो। प्रोडक्शन वाला काम बहुत डिफिकल्ट है करना, वो नहीं कर सकते हो। डॉक्यूमेंट्री वगैरह बना सकते हो, जस्ट सर्च करो, कहीं से भी पिक करो, अपनी वॉइस के साथ में काम करने की कोशिश करो, जो भी छोटा सा बना सकते हो। 5 मिनट का प्रोडक्शन वो कर सकते हो तो वो कर लो, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड बात हम लोग बाद में कर लेंगे। वो अभी फिलहाल और भी किसी की कोई क्वेरीज है, किसी को कोई बात करनी है, वो कर सकते
गुड
yes,
इवनिंग मैम।
yes.
हैं। यस प्रखर।
मैम मेरा एक सजेशन था, जैसे सबके घर पे अभी दिक्कत चल रही है, तो मैम हम अपना टाइम टेबल थोड़ा सा रीशेड्यूल कर सकते हैं। जो पोस्ट लंच की क्लास है मैम, अगर हम उसको कैंसिल कर दें तो मैम ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि 1:30 के अराउंड एक ही क्लास होती है, और फिर लास्ट क्लास के बाद अभी सब लोग चाहते हैं कि घर में थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम दे पाएँ, और फिर एक्टिविटीज़ भी हम सब कर ही रहे हैं, या फिर हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट भी कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। तो अगर हम थोड़ा सा टाइम टेबल रीशेड्यूल कर लें।
प्रखर देखो, ये सबके लिए नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि ये टाइम टेबल को हम इस तरह से डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते। किसी की जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम है तो वो अपने उसको मेंटर को बता सकता है कि ये, या टीचर से डिस्कस कर सकता है। कभी 1-2 दिन नई क्लास अटेंड करना है तो कोई बात नहीं, बट वो टाइम टेबल में बेटा रीशफलिंग नहीं हो सकती है ना। वो क्योंकि कोल पोल पे है, वो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है ये सब करना बार बार। ऑलरेडी हम लोग 2 टाइम्स टाइम टेबल चेंज कर चुके हैं, ठीक है। तो अगर किसी को नहीं क्लास अटेंड कर पा रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो उसको एडजस्ट कर लिया जाएगा।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Yes, मीठी।
यस मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। मैम मेरा बस एक डाउट था, अभी जैसे हमारे क्लासेस में सबके पास एक नोटिस सर्कुलर हुआ था रिगार्डिंग द स्कॉलरशिप, तो उसमें फर्स्ट सेकंड का मेंशन तो था, बट अब जैसे थर्ड ईयर वालों का ऑन नहीं मेंशन था, आई डोंट थिंक सो थर्ड ईयर पे जो है करंटली उनके लिए नहीं था जो पास आउट हो चुके हैं। सो उसके हम कैसे अवेल कर सकते हैं मैम, मतलब क्या हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स, कोई मेल, कुछ इसलिए बिकॉज उसके बाद कोई ऐसा सेशन नहीं हुआ ना इंटरेक्टिव कि हम पूछ पाए।
रिगार्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट?
नो मैम, रिगार्डिंग स्कॉलरशिप्स आए थे, एक यूनिवर्सिटी स्कॉलरशिप और एक डीएमई स्कॉलरशिप।
Manasi, if you can throw light on this.
अभी एक्चुअली उसके ऊपर कोई मीटिंग नहीं हुई है, लेकिन जो नाम डिसाइड हुए थे वो काम एज यूजुअल रुक गया था बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन। सो आई थिंक कल डायरेक्टर सर से आई स्पीक टू हिम कि व्हाट इज द स्टेटस एंड वील फाइंड आउट कि क्या कर सकते हैं, अब कैसे उसका आगे लेके जाना है। सो गिव मी अ डेज टाइम, मे बी डे और 2, आई विल स्पीक टू हिम एंड गेट बैक टू यू।
There's a question from Akriti. It was earlier mentioned that exams will take place in June. So when will the end semester exam take place? Okay, so I think we are also still awaiting a message from the university regarding this, regarding any change in the date. I'm sure since this 15-day gap has come in between, the university is also definitely going to change the dates of the final term examination. So we will let you know as soon as we know something.
Good evening to everyone. Bala ma'am of which मैम मेरे को ये पूछना था कि जैसे हम फर्स्ट ईयर में हमें काफी सारे इंटर्नशिप्स के मौके मिलते हैं अभी जगह जगह जाने के, लाइक प्रैक्टिकली सब करने का, तो क्या जब कॉलेजेस रीओपन होंगे तो हमें सेकेंड ईयर के साथ साथ फर्स्ट ईयर वाले भी जो चीजें वो कवर अप करने के लिए मिलेंगी, वो मौके मिलेंगे वापस से?
बिल्कुल मिलेंगे, सारे मौके मिलेंगे। सिचुएशन सिनेरियो ठीक होने दो, सारे चांसेस हैं, बहुत कुछ करना है जिंदगी में, इसलिए अभी उसके लिए वरी मत हो। बस अभी ये है कि प्रे करो कि सब कुछ ठीक रहे और हम लोग कॉलेज में मिल सके।
Yes, I'm praying for that. Take care everyone. Thank you so much.
Yes.
मैम फॉर द फाइनल ईयर ऑल्सो आई थिंक रिमझिम का जो क्वेश्चन था कि उन्होंने बहुत प्रैक्टिकल मिस करे हैं उनके सेकेंड ईयर फाइनल ईयर के, तो इवन इफ योर एग्जाम्स आर ओवर इन जून जुलाई एंड इफ द सिचुएशन परमिट्स, अगर हम लोग आप लोग को बुला पाए तो आप तब भी एज एन एलुमनाई ऑल्सो यू कैन कम and learn certain things from faculty in the studio. You can practice, मतलब जो प्रॉब्लम आपको लग रहा है कि हम इंडस्ट्री में जाएंगे, हमने कुछ प्रैक्टिकली नहीं किया, बट अगर सिचुएशन अलाउ करती हैं, सब कुछ रीओपन होता है, तो वी विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन दैट पार्ट ऑल्सो कि आप लोग आके प्रैक्टिकल कर सको कॉलेज में।
हाँ 2-3 मंथ्स में तो ठीक हो गई, आखिर कब तक नहीं ठीक होगा।
So even if you pass out, we will definitely be in touch with you, and you know, as an alumni, we'll invite you to do the things. Don't worry about it.
Yes, Aditi.
गुड इवनिंग मैम। मैम मेरा डाउट था कि सेकेंड ईयर वालों को इंटर्नशिप्स मिलेंगी इस बार, क्योंकि मैम अभी हमें मतलब यही हमारा टाइम था जब हमें कुछ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर होता और अब कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है, तो हमें टेंशन है कि आगे जॉब्स में भी दिक्कत आएंगी और अभी कोई एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं हुआ हमें ऐसा कुछ।
देखो अभी इंटर्नशिप वगैरह के लिए कहीं कोई क्राइसिस नहीं है, अभी केवल सिचुएशन ठीक होने की क्राइसिस है। ये ठीक होगी उसके बाद ऑलरेडी इंटर्नशिप का प्रोविजन है, वो तुम्हें जहाँ भी मिलेगी वो करवा देंगे, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लेकिन अभी हमें कोर्स पे कंसंट्रेट करना, एग्जामिनेशन में कंसंट्रेट करना, बिकॉज अभी यूनिवर्सिटी का जो भी डेट शीट आता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसको हमें फॉलो करना है ना। और ये इंटर्नशिप वगैरह इशू नहीं है, वो तुम क्लासेस के साथ में भी तुम्हारी क्लासेस 2-10 तक खत्म हो जाती है और किसी को भी इंटर्नशिप मिलेगी तो हम अलाउ करेंगे उसको, ठीक है।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Vishesh Gaur has a question. He's asking, can we have a relaxation in the DNG assignments, because in online mode it is quite difficult to learn the software?
It's difficult, but तुम्हारा DNG जो सेकंड है इस बार है वो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है। लास्ट टाइम तुमने जैसे किए थे असाइनमेंट वैसे ही बना लोगे, फिर भी आज से प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। कुछ थोड़ा सा सॉफ्टवेयर का इशू तो आएगा, लेकिन तुम्हारे लिए भी बहुत टाइम है। तुम्हारे एग्जामिनेशन अभी नहीं होंगे, तुम्हारे एग्जामिनेशन आई थिंक सितंबर तक होंगे, तो तुम्हें टाइम मिल जाएगा काम करने का।
Rudransh has written that I would like to thank all our faculty members and our HOD for understanding us and supporting us in this time. Thanks a lot for boosting our confidence.
Thank you.
Any other queries? Anyone else wants to speak? Ishika is saying that I just want to say we all miss you. We all miss you too.
Yes, we all miss you. Yes, Vishesh. You want to say something, Vishesh?
Sayam is asking that he has not been able to attend even one class of second semester, and I hope there will be revision classes. Yes, definitely there will be revision classes, Sayam. Don't worry about it.
और स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी लाइब्रेरी की बुक्स रहती हैं जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आपने इशू करवाई थी, एक बार सियास पर्टिकुलर सेक्शंस के अपने अपने मेंटर्स को इन्फॉर्म कर दें विद द लिस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी बुक्स वो रिटर्न नहीं कर पाए आफ्टर द फाइनल एग्जाम्स ऑफ फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर। तो हम अपने आप लाइब्रेरी के कंसर्न फैकल्टी मेंबर और जो भी वहां पर मेंबर्स हैं उनको मेल कर देंगे विद CC टू HOD। सेक्शन ए का ऑलरेडी मैं कर चुकी हूँ, सेक्शन बी और सी में अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो प्रमोद सर और सुकृति मैम को आप लोग प्लीज वो लिस्ट शेयर कर दो स्टूडेंट्स की।
Okay.
ठीक है मैम। Another thing that I wanted to add with respect to the students who are missing and fourth semester के सभी students के लिए है ये चीज कि last time भी lockdown जो है वो इसी time पर हुआ था, तो आप अपने टीचर से बात कीजिए। उस टाइम पे हमने अपने जो स्टडी मटेरियल प्रिपेयर किया था काफ़ी होलिस्टिक था वो नेचर में, काफ़ी ऑल इनकम पासिंग टाइप का स्टडी मटेरियल प्रिपेयर हुआ था पिछली बार। कुछ शायद टीचर्स के पास अपने पुराने प्रेजेंटेशंस भी डले हुए हैं, so maybe we can help the students in this manner that मेरा so I think students जो miss out कर रहे हैं classes पे वो इस study material को थोड़ा अपने समय पे read करें, and when they have problems with that they can come up to the subject teacher and ask about it अगर classes miss कर रहे हो in that case।
बट अगर क्लासेस किसी की भी मिस होती हैं वो इन्फॉर्म जरूर करेगा कि व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता कि अभी तुम लोगों को घर पे क्या सिचुएशन है, कैसा है, बट इन्फॉर्म योर मेंटर्स एंड क्लास टीचर आल्सो, सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स।
Siddharth has written a message, request everyone to stay safe and healthy, to all faculty members and my fellow mates and all the faculty members. Hope you are safe and better in this situation. Just pray, stay positive, hope things get back to normal soon. Thank you, Siddharth.
No, we can wind up the meeting, and before the meeting, as I told you, just
Yes, sir.
observe.
I think, as sir has suggested, um, we would like to observe a minute's silence in memory of those who have passed away during this pandemic, our family members, our friends, acquaintances, known ones. So we'd like to request everyone to just, you know, remember them once. Muskan is saying, if anyone needs any kind of help regarding oxygen, beds, or plasma, can contact me. Okay, thank you, Muskan, for this. We'll keep this in mind. Then Samuel is asking, can we get some extra time on our assignments? Yes, we will try our best to provide that help. Okay, I think we can wrap up then. Thank you everyone for joining, and thank you for listening. So we'll see you all from tomorrow again in the classes. Hope you will try to attend, and whatever issues are there, please feel free to reach out. Take care, all of you, and all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.